Is Cebu City worth visiting? In this video, we'll be checking out some of the most popular tourist sites in the city and letting you know at the end whether it's worth exploring.
Yeah, most tourists usually just pass through to go to Bohol or to Mobile in the south of Cebu. But we will be exploring the city and let you know at the end if it is worth visiting. So stick around at the end for our recommendation. Cebu City is the oldest city here in the Philippines. It dates back to the 1500s when the Spaniards first settled here in the Philippines. We are starting off our day here at the Heritage Monument of Cebu City, which showcases all the events that happened at the time when the Spaniards settled here. And it's an impressive, really remarkable monument that was built in the 2000s.
Just a short walk from the Heritage of Cebu Monument is an obelisk that marks the start of Colon Street, which is the oldest street in the Philippines. It was named after explorer Christopher Columbus, whose Spanish name is Cristobal Colon.
So we would say that this street is definitely not the prettiest street, but the historical significance is quite impressive. It also looks like it's a more local spot. Well, we haven't seen a tourist in quite a while, honestly.
We saw one at the monument.
Oh yeah, it's true.
The great thing about all these tourist sites is that they're all very close to each other. It's definitely very walkable. Just 5 minutes from Colon Street, we have now made it to Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral.
And guys, this is a Catholic cathedral that I've never seen before. It looks so different. The construction started in the 17th century and it wasn't finished until the 20th century. That's because of lack of funding.
And in World War II, it actually got destroyed and it was restored. Whew, it is a hot day already, guys.
Yeah. Guys, let's check out this church. So we made it to another nearby popular tourist site here in Cebu City, the Basilica Santo Nino. It is the oldest Roman Catholic church in the Philippines.
It was established in 1565 and was actually destroyed by fire several times, as well as by the earthquake in 2013, but it has been restored and it actually looks like it's under construction right now, so they're working on it as of now, unfortunately, so we can't see it in its full beauty as it usually would be.
Okay, so just outside of the Basilica is the popular landmark, the Magellan's Cross, which is, Dana.
Okay, I'm gonna read this off because I want to make sure I get all the names right. So this is a site where a Christian Catholic cross was planted by the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, part of Spanish fleet, in April 1521, making this the first spot where the first Christian Filipinos were baptized, King Raja Humabon and Queen Juana, and 400 of their followers. So this is a very significant spot in the city.
Okay, we made it down to the port, to the Plaza Independencia, which is where the Fort San Pedro is located. The Fort San Pedro is the first fort that was built under the Spanish occupation in 1565.
not too big, but the entrance fee is only 30 pesos per person, and it is very well maintained, and it looks really, really cute.
Yeah.
Whew. Just going up the stairs now to walk on the walking on the fortification wall, which has a thickness of 8 feet and it's 20 feet above the ground, and it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. And this fort was originally built to fend off attackers and has later been used as a stronghold for revolutionaries.
It later became an army camp, and it was used by the American forces as barracks in World War II.
Okay, we are leaving this area now and going to our final spot. We'll see you there. And we made it to our final destination here, the Cebu Taoist Temple, and it is absolutely gorgeous.
It was just about like a 20-minute drive from where we were before, and you go up really, really high on top of a hill, and it's really cool. You actually drive through an area called the Beverly Hills. I know, it's pretty funny, but the houses here like honestly look like it. They're massive. It was a really cool drive, very scenic, and we saw a glimpse of the temple on the way up, and it looked really cool. So I can't wait to explore it.
Right, let's check it out. So this temple was built as a center for Taoism here in Cebu, but due to its location, it quickly became a very popular tourist attraction.
Taoism is a religion that heeds the ancient teachings of Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu.
So many dragons here everywhere at the temple, and this is why it actually symbolizes in Taoism good fortune and good energy.
Yeah, it allows one person to reintegrate with his or her spiritual life. There are so many dragons
They
here.
look amazing. It looks so cool.
So cool. Not only is this temple really unique, but it also has amazing views of Cebu City. We hope you enjoyed exploring Cebu City with us.
So, would we recommend exploring the city?
Well, we wouldn't make it a destination, so if you don't have a lot of time, we would recommend skipping it because there's so many things to do in this area. However, if you do have the time and you're here for a long time, we do recommend checking it out for one day.
Yeah, this is a city with historical significance for the Philippines. We really liked the monument at the beginning of this video, and this temple, this Taoist temple, is just amazing, and it is also for free.
That's awesome. Yeah, this temple has definitely been one of my favorites. Well, our trip here in the Philippines is almost coming to an end. We do have one more destination after Cebu City, which we're super excited about. And we are going to be checking out a few more countries in Southeast Asia, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to upcoming videos.
See you in the next one.